was not so good. I guess everybody needs to have a fall. At least I recorded it. Oh, it's still working. It's too dark. I just need the Mini 4 Pro following me here through the dark forest, manual flying, because it's too dark for active tracking. I think it should be bright enough now again for the Mini 4 Pro to get me here. Active track to go and go. Oh yeah, perfect. Active track works again. I love having some fog here. A little bit darker. So cool to test out with my gadgets. I'm sure the people who live here constantly, they're sick of the fog and darkness all the time. But for me from California, it's a nice change of pace. The fog. Make sure I'm walking here in a path that's not too full of trees and branches. Let's see how the Mini 4 does this one here. Very good. I'm impressed. I'm very much impressed.
Hit the like button, subscribe, and watch this video next to learn more about the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Bye for now.